In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you a classic guitar riff from Black Sabbath. It is called Paranoid. So let's take a look at how to play this great early heavy metal riff by Black Sabbath. The guitar player on this would have been Tony Iommi. And what he starts out with here is basically starting out with an E5 power chord, except he's doing this little hammer-on thing. So how you're going to do that is you're going to play the 6th string 12th fret, this E right here. Then you're going to bar your finger across to make sure you're playing on the 5th string 12th fret as well. So you're playing these two 12s here. That interval right there is a 4th, so it's not a power chord yet. So then what he does is he hammers down with his 3rd finger here on the 5th string 14th fret on that B right there. So it's not an E5 power chord yet, but when he hammers it down, then it creates a power chord. So in the first measure, you're going to do that 3 times. So the first half of the riff, you're going to go 1, 2, 3. One more time, you're going 1, 2, 3. And then for the second half of the riff, what he does is he has this little riff he's playing, which is in E minor pentatonic. And so he's going to start on the 5th string, and he's going to play 12 to 14. I personally hammer that on. You can pick it if you like. You know, as you get more comfortable playing guitar, you get really comfortable doing this hammer on. But if you're not comfortable yet, then you can go 12, 14. That's fine. So we have on the 5th string 12, 14. Then we're going to do the same thing on string number 4, 12, 14. And then we're going to go back to the 5th string 12, 14. And then we're going to go to 12 on the 4th string. And then 14 then on the 5th string. So it goes 12, 14, 12, 14, then 12, 14 again, then 12, 14, except it's going to be 12 on the 4th string and then 14 on the 5th string. So it goes like this. And these are all 8th notes for the second half of the riff. So you would be counting it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and nice even straight across the board there, 8th notes, nothing too fancy, just. Alright, now I'm going to play through the riff nice and slow, and I would like you to play along with me. Alright, here we go. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Another time. 3, 4. And that was Paranoid by Black Sabbath.